नावेली भलायकी केंद्रांत रोखडेच 4 नव्या दोतोरांची डायलिसीस उपचार करपाची सोय जातली। शुक्रारा नावेलीच्या आमदारान भलायकी केंद्रार ॲम्ब्युलन्सींचें उक्तावण केलें।
I asked them to pass a resolution to have a modern, advanced ambulance with life support system. जशें आमकां गव्हर्नमेंट सांगलां की आयज lifestyle sicknesses सुरवात जाली. And that is because of our lifestyle. For diabetes, high blood pressure, heart problems, kidney problems, eye problems, and so on and so forth. So I have asked the health minister to give this specialist for all the lifestyle sicknesses. In fact, Ami Police Pound, senior citizen एक health camp केला. I already got 400 data bank of 400 senior citizens, and I know their health history. What are the health problems? But jenna magdudur mamta mulagoli, where is the question of super specialists? We don't even have the complement of staff. We don't have tunes. We don't have the maintenance staff over here, and so on and so forth. See, where there is a will, there is a way. Ministry ne sangalo maga, and tungal director ne sangalo. So I requested director that see, even though some people claim this is a 10-bedded hospital, there is not even one single bed. Even though this is supposed to be specialized hospital, there is nobody over here. At least give us part-time specialists. And I am very grateful. Publicly, I would like to thank Sri Viswajit Rani because he has given me for the time being 4 additional specialists.
Transport and will be available, and this will help to save lives. As you may be or may not be aware, in a cardiac attack you have the golden hour. In a stroke patient you have golden hour. So if a facility like this is available, timely treatment will be there and lives will be saved. I also appeal to the religious not to misuse it so that the ambulance is not used for frivolous reasons, which would mean it would be blocked and would not be available for patients who really need it in an emergency.
Life is uncertain today. We do not know what can happen to anybody. Sometimes we go to the gym, we have a diet. We think we do every month our blood test and the profile, lipid profile, and we think we are all right. But today's life is such, stress is such, that anybody can get any kind of a problem. We have seen of late, every day when I read the papers, I read the obituary, and this obituary of the young people, 37, 40, 25, having heart attack, having different kinds of problems. I'm very happy, and I'd like to extend my congratulations not only to the health minister, but to Honorable MLA Rizwan Falero for his efforts.
Ardex Goa Bureau Report.